Crypto Crypto Morning Technicals. That's what the name of the show is going to be called. Morning Technicals. Da-da-da-da. Not seeing the video once. Oh, there we go. Okay. GM, everyone. Just doing a quick morning stream because it's a green day. Check it out. We got Bitcoin up 2.5%, Ethereum up 4%, Solana 7.7%, doubling ETH doubling Bitcoin. It's like nature's healing. SPX 20%. It was 20% this morning, 19.9 at the moment, or up 1%. Frog up 20% too. Oh, nice. Did not notice that. Just noticed it just now. Giga 17%, Retardio 7%. I'm not as big on Giga or Retardio. I got some very small positions in them in the Murad portfolio. The TradFi SPX is up. That's actually a lot. So 1.4%. That's a lot. 5750. It was 5600 this last Friday. Misty. I am accumulating a lot of Misty shares at the moment. There's some dumbasses in the Discord thinking that was a bad idea. It's like, guys, it's a dividend. It's a legit good dividend play. Anyways, I have ARCB in my IRA still. I have SWI. I've stopped selling SWI, so I'm still getting SWI from a seed investment I did a couple years ago. I was selling all of that into SPX, but I've stopped selling now. So just taking any new seed that divests. I don't have any hood at the moment. I do want to get back in the hood. Tesla 271, nice recovery. Helping some people manage a Tesla covered call position at the moment and sell put. MicroStrategy back in the nice 300s, 7%. Bitcoin dominance dropping a little bit, still 61. Total market cap. Oh, this is great to see. So we've been at 2.7, 2.77 for a minute. So it's nice to see that recovering finally. So we'll be back at 3 trillion eventually, and I'm still projecting 9 to 10 trillion by the end of the year for total market cap and crypto. Potentially Q1, because the cycles take a little bit longer to play out. Anyways, let's look at SPX. I know there's no chart, guys. There's no chart, but this is a beautiful recovery. Right here, by the way, this we're starting to get some reactions close to this heavy confluence line right here, resistance. I got my second resistance line we got to defeat over here, and finally the last one before it's kind of blue sky breakout. Like, I'm not even gonna count these 3 points up here. In my opinion, blue sky breakout past this. But yeah, we basically had like one cycle here, and then a little bear market, and another cycle, another bear market, and I'm expecting another crazy meme coin bull run here pretty soon. Again, not worried at all about the Trump tariffs and stuff like that. I actually like it. I am of the opinion that we're going with tariffs so we can get rid of income tax and capital gains tax. And there are people that don't believe that, and fair. It's they've got good points. It's like, once you have a toll, why would you get rid of a toll, right? But that's like, we've got horses. Why would you get these cars, right? So things change over time, and like people who I notice a lot of people with bad takes, bad technical takes, bad takes on crypto, bad takes on stocks. I feel like they have bad takes on history. Like they think everything's going to stay stagnant, stay the same like it's ever been, and stuff drastically changes in history, guys, in near-term history. So, and I'm not saying like, it is. Are we getting rid of income tax and capital gains tax 100%? I don't know. I'm in my opinion, I'm 50-50 on that. There's a lot of things that have to happen, but I think it's possible, and there's a lot of people who think that's not possible. I think they're wrong. Anyways, so Here's SPX on the right, and I love these new candlesticks. By the way, in TradingView, volume footprint. So and they don't, they're much better on the larger time frame. So I got the daily here. So notice this. This is what I really like right here. So daily candlesticks. The last 3 days, we got 3 million volume. SPX tokens with a delta of 300,000. So 300,000 more were bought than sold. And we got total 1.9, basically 2 million here, then 2 million here. Now, like this is just a morning already, right? Now, obviously, I think this goes by UTC time, so it started last night. But we're already double the previous day, so that's massive. Like we're going to close that out. This is going to be a super bullish day for SPX. We were at so I do see the delta is coming down. The delta was 500,000. So some sellers are coming back in at the moment. If we go back to here, let's go zoom in. Okay. Yeah, so there's a little reject. There's like so people are front running this level right here. Now that this was front run so early though, and we got the VWAP coming in here. I think we could get a bullish, really strong support here to bounce back up and retest that. That's my opinion, my speculation at the moment. I know there's no chart, and I love you and all that. But yeah, this was front run a little early. We didn't quite get to 6699, but now that these guys are out, or they've kind of like swung out. This kind of like that's good. It kind of takes some pressure off. And the bulls can reset here to puncture through this, actually. So interesting. Anyways, I'm just accumulating. SPX. Yeah, this is just a beautiful move. Let me go to 4 hour here. Beautiful reversal. Like bottom in here. I did buy some at 26 cents. I'm proud of that trade. I was trading this all the way down. I know that is saying is stop trading, start believing. I do put myself in that 1% of traders who do know how to trade, but most of my positions are long-term holds, and I diamond hand things, and that's how you make the most money in crypto. You got a diamond hand. But I did do some little swings in here just to accumulate more SPX, and I accomplished that. Anyways, yeah. Not nice, strong, solid support from the bottom here, and we're just lifting off. And yeah, now it's there's the little front running of this level right here. Let me see, could there have been? I see another potential level right here. I mean, okay, so technically there is a rejection from here, which kind of counts. Yeah. So perhaps not quite front running, but it's like that was expected. Yeah, let's see what this run up was. This whole run from the bottom to now, there's a 163% move. Let me check this from this little breakout line I have right here. What is this? 25% move from that. Nice. Anyway, guys, this was just a quick morning. Oh, GM varying viewpoint. Yeah, so dumbmoney.tv Discord tomorrow, Tuesday, 6 p.m. Central. Going to be interviewing Murad. I'll be streaming from here as well. This is the BraveMoney channel. That's why I did want to make a stream this morning so I can send out the link. So we'll be talking about the meme coin super cycle thesis he has, and a lot more.